Can you hear my kid snoring? He's sick, so that's why he's snoring. So I have my bed, it's right here, and he was kind of like, he was sitting right here on the floor, laying on the floor, kicking at my vanity for like a minute, like for like a solid like 15 minutes. He was kicking at my vanity. I just ignored him because I could tell that he was tired, and then he scooted over and he was kicking at the bed, and then now he fell asleep, passed out right by the bed. I love when they just pass out where they drop, you know? I don't know, I just think that's so cute. Anyways, here is what we're gonna be doing today. It's giving strawberry, it's giving red raspberries, it's giving rainbow sherbet. I've been absolutely obsessed with these colors recently. I don't know why, it's just been the vibe. But look at how shiny my lids are. So good. I love shiny things, just make my soul happy. I am going to be doing my eyes as well as my face for you guys in today's video, and it's just pretty simplistic, basic tutorial. Little get ready with me, though I'm not going anywhere. When people do the TikToks, they're like, get ready with me. I'm like, get ready with me because I don't do anything. I do my makeup for fun. I do my video for content, for tutorials. Like, I literally go nowhere besides to pick my kid up, drop him off at school, pick him up from school. That is the only time I'm leaving my house during the week. And then on the weekends, I'll go grocery shopping. Like, once. I don't go anywhere. So, like, I don't know what to say in my get ready with me's. Get ready with me to get ready with me. There it is. That's what I'm going to start saying. Anyways, so that's what we're doing today. I am so pleased with how everything came out. So I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Definitely don't forget to stay tuned until the very end, where I will do an up close of my makeup. That way you guys can see the true beauty of the blend. I don't know why. Just gotta get the shimmy in there, you know? But yeah. And if you're curious to see how I achieved this look and the products that I used, definitely keep on watching. My eyelids are nice and primed. I want to do something smoky, so I primed out to my temples. I'm going to be taking the Unearthly Cosmetics Vitality Palette. She looks like this. And I think I want to start by taking the shade Live or Live? L-I-V-E. Live or Live. English is so weird. Okay. I'm going to take this little small round Luxie brush. And I'm gonna kind of do like a V shape. On this outer corner here. So what I'll do, I want to make sure that this is blended low enough. So when I go in with my eyeshadow under my eye, I could just connect it. So I will put a little bit under my eye, though after I do concealer I'll probably have to fix that. We're just kind of fill that V in a little bit. And take this all in the crease. So I'm going to dust that same brush off. And I want to take shade Animation, which is this pink right here. I'm going to start in this inner corner and blend outward. Just going right over that brown. Start blending this out. Bless you! And then when I get to this outer corner, I'll blend it a little bit further out. I don't know if I want to go in with this like, I don't know if I want to go in with this like peachy shade or this pink one. I think I'm going to take the peach shade Gusto, this one right here. Take it on a fluffy Wet n Wild brush. I'm going to dust that same brush off and take some of the shade Feelings, which is that pink. Just a little bit. Then I'll go back through all of those shades again, starting with the brown. Really blend all this out. So this is what that looks like blended out. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to, should I cut the crease? Yeah, I'm going to cut the crease. So this is what we're working with. I ended up cutting like my whole lid off, to be honest. Take the edges, blend with my finger. Then I'm going to take the brown shade. And I'm just going to press it into this outer corner. Then with the same brush, I'll go ahead and take shade Animation. Then I'll take shade Gusto. And blend that pink out. And then I kind of drowned it at that pink. So I'm gonna go back. I think I want to take the white shade Verdant. Just to set this down. I want to take this Timaree Cosmetic pigment. The sticker fell off of it, but I think this is the Extreme Shard. My face is in. I want to take this yellow Extreme Shard. The sticker fell off. I will figure out the name and post it when I'm ready. But I'm thinking this all on the lid. But I just wanted to put that white down to just set that base. And I think that actually looks really nice just like this. But we gotta be extra. Okay, so I'm going to take some Unearthly Glimmer Grasp. So I'm just going to take some Unearthly Cosmetic Glimmer Grasp. I'll take it on this brush. And just pat it down where that white is. What's wrong? What's wrong, baby? So I'm just stamping that down. Look how shiny. I'm going to take the Made by Mitchell Graph Ink Liner, shade Brownie Points. Then I'm going to take a small brush and shade Live. And I'm going to set that. So this is pretty much what the eyes look like. I'm going to go ahead and throw on these Cavalli Lashes, style Sanrio, and then we can move on to face. I'm going to be taking the Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation today. This is still going. It's still going. I don't know why. I've just been really enjoying. Like, I'll take my foundation in the back of my hand. And then I'll just kind of warm it up on my face. Like, literally just, like, massage it in a little bit. It's a little bit pale, but that's okay because I'm going in with like a little bit of a colored powder. So I don't want my foundation to oxidize. So it's a little pale, I know. e.l.f. shade Tan Walnut to cream contour. Same. Cream contouring. This is just so good. So I did pick up another shade of the Lancome Teint Idole Concealer. So I went on the website and I picked the lightest shade. Bitch. It's literally Ivory... Wait. It's this one. Yeah. So the shade that I have here is Ivory Cool. This one's Ivory Neutral, which is like literally one shade lighter. Pissed because they don't have a lighter shade. Well, we'll see how this goes. Oh, okay. Still dark, but way better than the other shade. So I'm gonna take my Jaclyn. Mix that in. I'm going to take the Jaclyn Cream Powder Blush Stick, shade Royal Flush, which is the red. Just on the back of my hand. Just blend her in. Look at how pretty that blush is. Now I'm going to take the Unearthly Incandescent Highlighter. This one is shade Bask. Get it while the getting's good, because once they're gone, they're gone. And they're just so pretty. If you guys haven't noticed, I've been using them in like every single one of my tutorials recently. Just like obsessed, honestly. So I'm going to set all over my face with the KimChi Puff of Pass baking powder. So I just set under my eyes with a poof. And then I'm going to use this Unearthly Cosmetic brush for the rest of my face. Then I got this yesterday. This is the Wet n Wild Essence Primer and Finishing Powder. Smooths, conditions, refines pores, balance, pre and post makeup. I don't know about putting it before like cream, but I definitely want to use this at the end of my foundation, or at the end of my like routine. So I'm really excited about that. I'm going to take the Hoola Light Bronzer. Then I'm going to take the Jaclyn Cosmetics Rouge Romance Blush Palette, which is the reds. And I think I will take... I think I'm going to take the shade Boudoir. Okay, let's go ahead and try this powder out. I'm going to... Very, very white. So I'm going to use this in place of my Jaclyn Under Eye Brightening Powder and see how that does. Now I'm going to take the Hank & Henry, this is the Brilliant Pearl Highlight shade Nightlight. Okay, so this right here is the completed look. I kind of feel like this is kind of giving like a raspberry pink kind of vibe, and I actually really, really love it. For my lip combo, if you're interested, I went in with the Nabi Lip Pencil shade Expresso, then the Unearthly Cosmetics Matte Liquid Lipstick, or the Satin Liquid Lipstick shade Olivia, and then the lip gloss in the shade Ornament, which is the pink. So I thought that like the nude in the center with the pink to kind of match the vibes. So yeah, I'm pretty obsessed with these glosses. Like, they're just so juicy. And look at that highlighter. I've had this highlighter. This is the Hank & Henry Nightlight highlighter. I've had this for years, and it's actually one of my most used, obviously because I had it for so long. And every time that I'm like going through my makeup, like, do I use this? Do I love this? Like, do I want to keep this? I'm always like, should I get rid of that? Should I get rid of that? And every time I use it, I'm just like, why would you ever want to get rid of that? It's so pretty. So yeah, that is that. I feel like this powder, if you're oily, you might like to use this under your foundation. I don't know, I'm pretty dry, so I wouldn't want to put like powder under my foundation, but this does say that it's a primer and a finishing powder. I do feel like it did blur under the eyes a little bit. It definitely didn't give me the brightness that I was looking for, but it definitely, like, it's a white ass powder. It's very, very smooth and silky. So for like a Wet n Wild like $5 little powder, I'm pleased with this. I'm definitely gonna try it again and see how it works with other foundations to see if it like lifts or cracks or anything like that. But I do think that my base looks really, really nice, and I just put it under my eyes and then like my upper lip a little bit, because this is where I get the most pores, right here. So this does say that it's supposed to be smooths, conditions, and refines pores. So I did kind of put it in that area to help smooth and refine my pores. So I'll use it a few more times and I'll let you guys know my thoughts and opinions. I mean, like I said, it's a very inexpensive powder, so if you wanted to pick it up and try it out for yourself, I would highly recommend that. But other than that, here we have the completed look. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Definitely don't forget to like and subscribe if you like me and if you like my content. Without further ado, we're going to go right on ahead, roll the clip.